did you stay in Japan?
For 8 days.
8 days.
Yes, 8 days.
The last day. Tomorrow?
Tomorrow
We'll go back.
Go back to
Philippines. Philippines. I see. Wow. Which part of the Philippines did you come from?
I live in Davao City. Davao City.
Davao City. How big is Davao?
I think it's one of the biggest cities in the Philippines. Yes. Yeah, in terms of size, it's the biggest city.
It's Davao?
It's Davao.
Why did you decide to come to Japan?
We want to travel different places. Actually, we came from Osaka. Last Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we went to Shirakawa-go.
Shirakawa-go?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
And then last stop is in here. Nagoya.
Okay. Nagoya and Centuria?
Yes.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow and the airport.
Okay. Wow. What is the most memorable thing in Japan? This trip?
For this trip, I think the most memorable is when we went to Shirakawa-go.
Shirakawa-go.
Yes, because it's very beautiful.
Okay.
And the place is very green. But it's kind of hot.
Yes, it's everywhere in Japan.
Everywhere
it's very hot. Yeah. Thank you for sharing your memory.
Welcome.
Yeah. So enjoy your trip. Okay. Bye bye.